Welcome to week 4, the pinnacle of our data analytics journey. This week, we'll delve into the advanced realm of data analysis where precision meets creativity. It's all about mastering the art of transforming raw data into actionable insights. We begin by honing our data manipulation skills, sorting, filtering, reshaping data with tools and techniques that make complex datasets seem like playthings at our fingertips. Then we map our journey through data mapping. Here, we link different data elements from various sources, ensuring they come together in a symphony of information that's both harmonious and meaningful. Understanding the data dictionary is next. We decipher the language of our datasets, defining the terms, relationships, and the rules that are crucial for clear communication and data quality. Data modeling is where our understanding takes form. Like architects will design structures that not only holds our data securely, but also allows fluid movement and analysis. Now, let's talk industry standards. We'll explore FHIR, a healthcare data exchange standards used here in Australia and across the globe. With FHIR, we ensure that our data speaks the same language as the rest of the healthcare world. We will use that for an example of an industry framework. So, get ready to dive into a week where data becomes more than just numbers. It becomes the voice telling us how to improve and innovate in the industry.